First of all, a great and happy Memorial Day. Thank God for the men and women who protect our country with their lives, and we deeply, deeply appreciate it. Think about them all the time. Too rough on our native sun trip last night as we went out and gave it the old college try, but as you can see, we got hammered pretty darn good. What a hearty group of great anglers we had on board. I mean, even though we couldn't get any fishing done, we enjoyed the sunset, and most everybody had something to eat. Enjoyed the harbor cruise as we headed back in early. Just way too windy and big seas, but the great news is that is all coming down now, and it's looking like it's going to be a beautiful weekend. Just wanted to check in with you and let you know that we'll be taking off again all weekend long. Make sure you go fishing with Phil soon.